Makhumalo Mangwabe, they are blaming Macele for Macele. She is supporting Musamseleku to marry the fifth wife. So they are blaming Macele for all those dramas. You understand? Guys, especially Mangwabe, there is no need to complain. Just because she come at Muzumbe as the fifth wife. You understand? As the fourth wife of Musamseleku. So there is no need to complain. People who can complain is Makumalo and Mayeni. Because guys, the Makumalo and Mayeni, they are saying Macele, she is not staying at Muzumbe. And Musamseleku is going to bring the fifth wife at Muzumbe. You understand? Guys, the person who stayed at Muzumbe at the first time is Makuma. And Mayeni comes as the second time. But Mayeni, she doesn't know that Makumalo is Musamseleku's wife. You understand? Because Makumalo, Musamseleku, when he is married to Makumalo, he hid Makumalo for a long time. And he introduced Makumalo for guys. Macele and Mayeni, they don't like Makumalo. That's why Makumalo, she is blaming Macele for supporting Musamseleku, just because Macele, she doesn't like Makumalo at all. You understand? That's why you saw Makumalo, she is blaming Macele. Guys, you know that Macele, when she comes at Muzumbe, because Makumalo comes at Muzumbe after Masaule passed away. Makumalo comes Muzumbe as a person who can take care of Muzumbe, because there is no one who stayed at Muzumbe, even Macele. Macele, she is not staying at Muzumbe at that time. The person who stayed at Muzumbe is Masaule, but Masaule passed away. You understand? Makumalo, she takes care at Muzumbe. And Mayeni comes at the second time, at the third wife, but Mayeni, she doesn't know that Makumalo is Musamseleku's wife. Mayeni thinks that maybe Musamseleku tells Mayeni that Makumalo, she is the housemaid or what. You understand? She is the person who works at Muzumbe, but she is the Musamseleku's wife. Because Mayeni asked Musamseleku that what is that girl doing at this compound, and you know that. So Makumalo, that's why she doesn't want Musamseleku to introduce the fifth wife, because the Musamseleku, guys, Makumalo, she was been hiding. Musamseleku, he was hiding Makumalo, and Makumalo introduced, guys, late. You understand?